Eto naman, maraming kids, pati kids at heart ang na-happy nang i-celebrate din sa Pinas ang 25th anniversary ni SpongeBob. Para bigyan po ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Marymon Reyes.
Are you ready, kids? Pag narinig nyo to, panigurado may maaalala agad kayo na cartoon character. Pero alam nyo ba na this year sila celebrate ang 25th year anniversary nito?
25th anniversary of Nickelodeon SpongeBob SquarePants, one of the biggest hit animated series ever.
Napuno ng saya at makukulay na decor ang mega fashion hall na ito sa isang mall sa Mandaluyong nang i-celebrate ang Like a Sponge Silver Anniversary ng sikat na cartoons na SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob, a well-loved character by people from all ages, reminds us of the value of keeping good friendships, finding happiness in small things, and appreciating life. May we also celebrate meaningful connections, small and big achievements, and the beauty of life.
Bukod sa mga merch, mayroon ding ball pit area at game station para sa kids, overflowing snacks na, pamilyar ang itsura. Are those Krabby Patties? At ang center of attraction kung saan matatry mo ang mag-iisang cartoon character, ang life-size installations ng mga bahay nila. Nakikipasok tayo sa bahay ni SpongeBob. So para tayong sponge for a day. May TV tayo. Ito yung sofa ni SpongeBob. Sayang wala pa si Gary. Andito siya sa labas nagbabantay. Lalo pang naging fun ang araw na ito dahil sa meet and greet sa characters. Sa tagal ng panahon na nagbibigay saya ang animated series na ito, garantisado pa rin daw na patuloy pa itong magpapaligaya sa mas maraming tao, bata man o matanda. Tatakbo ang celebration na ito mula September 20 hanggang October 6 at mapapanood nationwide.
Signal has always been committed to bringing quality content and relevant shows to families. Our subscribers are very much in our minds when we provide quality shows, and Signal will always be your partner in providing family-oriented shows.
Sa loob ng higit 2 dekada, ang natutunan natin mula sa cartoon na ito, ang maging optimistic sa buhay at huwag kalimutan ang mag-enjoy. Mobile journalist Marymon Reyes po, at ito mukha ng balita.